Hello guys, welcome to software learning. So today in this video I am going to show you how to play YouTube videos in the background, and you can also turn off your screen by doing this method. So let's get started. So first of all, you need a browser which allows you to switch your mobile version websites into a desktop version. So here I have a Chrome, so I'm going to open it, and now I'm going to YouTube. So here I type youtube.com, and here you can see that this is a mobile version of a YouTube, and you can see in the URL this is m.youtube.com, which means mobile.youtube.com. So here I am going to search my video that I want to play in the background. So here I type and I am click on it. Now I pause it, and now I switch this version into a desktop. So I simply click on this, and here you can see that request desktop site. So simply click on it, and this YouTube version is converted into a desktop version, and here you can see that www.youtube.com. so this is a desktop version of a YouTube. So you need to go to this version of a website to playing your video in the background. When your video is going to playing here, and simply click the home button and go to home, and here you can see that our video is turned off. So now I'm going to play it again, and it's audio. Now I am the notification area, and here you can see that Chrome is the name of this video, and I'm simply click on this play button, and here you can see that you can listen to the YouTube video music. So in this way you you can play your YouTube videos in the background. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.